In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but we'll see more precisely personne. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. So in this lesson, we will see personne, and the indefinite personne can be translated to nobody or no one in English. And we'll see 4 examples with personne. Personne ne sait où il est parti. Personne ne sait où il est parti. Il n'y a personne dans la salle de réunion. Il n'y a personne dans la salle de réunion. Personne ne peut résoudre ce problème complexe. Personne ne peut résoudre ce problème complexe. Je n'ai vu personne sur le chemin ce matin. Je n'ai vu personne sur le chemin ce matin.